Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you guys how to make Christmas decorating ball. If you like my video, please press the like button. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. Hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. At first we need stars and snowflakes, glue, scissors, paintbrush, acrylic paint, glitter, and toy ball. Let's start. At first, take a toy ball. Now top of the ball, make a small hole with scissor. Now close the hole with Christmas ball lid. Now color the ball. I am using golden acrylic color. Spread the color all over the ball. After coloring, wait some time for drying. Now put the glue on it and spread it like this way. Now pour the golden colored glitter on it. Now spread the glitter all over the ball like this way. Now again put some glue on it. Now decorate the ball with golden snowflakes and stars. Our Christmas decorating ball is ready. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas to all my friends. Hope this video will help you a lot. Please give me your feedback on comment section below. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye-bye.